In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up and clean up your Shopify store. A faster, more efficient store not only improves the customer experience, but also boosts your search engine rankings. So let's dive right in and make your Shopify store as fast and clean as possible. First, go ahead and open up Shopify and navigate to your store's home screen. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your account and ready to optimize. When you're on the home screen, what you're seeing is the hub of your store operations. It's where you can easily manage your products, orders, and everything in between. But today, we're focusing on sprucing it up to run quicker and smoother. Next, click on the search bar in your store's admin panel. This feature is like your store's personal assistant, helping you quickly find what you're looking for. It's incredibly helpful for efficiently locating specific settings or applications you might want to manage or adjust. With the search tool at your fingertips, you'll soon be navigating through your store like a pro. Once you've accessed the search bar, type in Apps. Apps are additional tools you can integrate into your store to enhance its features and functionality. However, having too many apps, especially those you no longer use, can significantly slow down your site. So it's crucial to periodically review your apps and determine which ones are essential and which ones are not. Now, click on App and Sales Channel Settings. This is where you can see all the apps currently installed on your Shopify store. Carefully go through this list and identify apps that you don't use anymore or that didn't live up to your expectations. Remember, each app you keep should serve a specific purpose that aligns with your business goals. If an app doesn't fulfill those requirements, it's time to uninstall it. Every app impacts your site's speed, so stripping it down to only the necessary ones is a key step in optimizing your store. To uninstall an app, simply click on it and follow the prompts to remove it from your store completely. This action not only speeds up your store, but also helps in decluttering your admin interface, making your day-to-day management simpler and more effective. And there you have it, a cleaner, faster Shopify store ready to wow your customers. By removing unused apps and keeping your store lean, you'll notice improvements in performance and user experience. Keep in mind, this is an ongoing process. Regularly check back and continue to fine-tune your store for the best results. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.